Alright guys, welcome back to the 717 Supply YouTube channel. We are doing a POV style here with the F-150 Raptor. This is a 2024 fully loaded Raptor here in black. My favorite thing about this car is the front end. It looks absolutely menacing. You've got the LED lights all over the front, the amazing amber light bar. We have the rigid fogs down here as well. Let's check out those arena wheels. Really sweet. Those Fox shocks back there, you can see them a little bit better in the rear. Also got that Raptor graphics package. Good look at the shocks there. Coming around the back, once again, more LED tail lights, the big Ford logo, and of course the blacked out Raptor logo there down in the corner. And we cannot forget about those 37-inch tires coming on this as well. So what I want to do today is show you what it's like to drive this thing POV style on the road when you win it. So let's check it out. All right, hopping into this bad boy, you got a nice step right there. Okay, so started off, of course, we have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can go full screen with it. You have the nice Alcantara inserts here on the seat, red stitching, leather, Raptor logo. We have it tinted for you, 20% tint. Of course, you have the little carbon fiber accents that you can see here, as well as right here, right above your glove box. And up top here, we have the trail control, traction control, the hazards, parking assist, and as well as the cameras and the auto on-off function. We're gonna go ahead and turn that off here. So really cool dashboard, fully digital. On the steering wheel, you have your R button, so that's gonna be your custom mode. You have your cruise control settings here, volume settings, as well as your track forward and back here on the right. Some menu options here, and then here you have your custom, so steering control, normal, comfort, and sport. Gonna leave that normal, as well as our shock settings here, or damper settings as it says, normal, and we have sport, and then we have off-road, as well as exhaust. We have normal, sport, Baja, and quiet. So really cool. I always say this, I love valved exhaust. That's what you are getting with this Raptor. We are gonna start with it in, you know what, we'll start with it in quiet just to show how quiet it actually is. What a great cruiser this vehicle is. So really cool here, you have this nice handy button here. You press that, the gear select lever goes fully flat. So do with it as you wish. But we're gonna leave that up for now since we are about to be driving it. Of course, you have your different driver memory seat functions here. All the lighting settings, we'll throw that on auto. And of course, these nice big paddle shifters if you want to manually shift this thing, which is really fun to do. This is quite a sporty truck. And a quick look into the back here. Excuse Bobby's notes, but you have a ton of space. This is an amazing family vehicle for your kids, your dogs, whatever. It is a great truck to take on long road trips. So let's go ahead and take this thing for a drive. It did just get a little bit colder here in central Pennsylvania, so I do need to fill up the tires. But other than that, we are good to go. We've got 73 miles to empty, and we are not gonna be going nearly that far. So let's take this bad boy for a spin. All right, taking off here in the Raptor, throw her into drive. We'll leave it in automatic mode. So you're getting a 6-liter twin turbo, 450 horsepower, 510 pound-feet of torque with this thing. Really, really healthy amount of power there. It is a twin turbo setup, so you get a really nice quick spool. This thing does not really feel very turbocharged compared to something that maybe only has a single turbo or a larger turbo. So we're taking off here in quiet mode. Like I said, this thing, it really isolates you from the road when you have that exhaust in that quiet mode. Really nice and quiet suspension. Not getting a lot of road noise, even from those 37-inch tires. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the damper in off-road. That's really gonna soften it up. It's gonna give you the softest ride that you can really have from this Raptor. And guys, this is just an amazing ride, especially on the highway. And when you're going over bumps at speed, you barely even feel them. Really, really impressive. All right, let's turn on this main road here. We're still in quiet exhaust mode. Give it some acceleration, see how it sounds. Now, I'm not sure how that sounds on camera, but it's still relatively quiet here. We'll go ahead and put the exhaust into normal mode now. Quick little acceleration here. Definitely getting a little bit more noise. Now let's go into sport mode. I'm actually going to downshift it manually here. So we'll go to, let's say we'll go to 4th gear here. Yeah, so a little bit more noise there as well. Probably hard to tell on camera. It's a little bit more subtle because this is an OEM exhaust, of course. All right, gonna go ahead and put the steering into sport mode. Gonna take a left here onto a little bit more of a back road here. I will also put the exhaust, we'll keep it off-road with the dampers, and then we're gonna go Baja with the exhaust. You're gonna get a little warning here, off-road use only. Yep, that's exactly what we're doing. So we're enjoying the fall weather here in central PA, about 53 degrees today. How is the weather where you guys are at? Do you guys like the fall? Do you miss the summer? You know, my least favorite part about the fall is the time change. You know, I really do not like when it gets dark at 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and then eventually 4:30. Really not fun in my opinion. Hopefully we get that changed eventually so we don't have to deal with that. But for now, we have to deal with daylight savings time. So that being said, we're gonna go into manual mode here, because why not? We got these huge paddle shifters. Nice. Really responsive too for a truck. It's kind of crazy. Oh yeah, definitely getting a good amount more noise with that exhaust in Baja mode here. Yep. Nice quick turbo spool. And full throttle. Yeah, man, this thing is quick. This is really quick for a truck. V6 twin turbo really gets moving. Honestly, this thing sounds absolutely incredible. I'll throw in a little exhaust clip here from the outside. Really good sounding exhaust, probably one of the best V6s I think I've ever heard, and I'm not just saying that because we're trying to give this thing away. It is a really good sounding V6. Nice downshifts too. Get that nice throttle blip, really aggressive. Really a joy to drive this thing. This automatic transmission is so responsive. So let's turn into George Park here. This is one of the parks we always go to do our photo shoots. We shoot ads here, take a lot of pictures here. Really nice place. Oh no, it's a speed hump. Wait, was there? I didn't feel anything. Wait, another one? You slow down for these, right? Yeah, no, I didn't really feel anything. No, but seriously guys, this thing is so freaking good over these bumps. You hardly even feel them. You can take them at speed, and this thing's so freaking composed. It is unbelievable. So it looks like we got lucky. There's no one here at the park. A lot of times we get people just sitting around here doing nothing all day, but oh, we got one person. Move out of the way for him. Got some random cones. Don't know what's going on there. A lot of people come here to learn to drive, it seems like. Every time we come here, there's people literally just doing laps over and over and over and over. Not sure how that helps you learn to drive. Looks like these guys might be doing that. Don't have a single clue what these cones are set up for. Let's go over here by the flag. We do a lot of photos and videos right over here. Really nice spot here. Got some nice trees, some leaves on the ground. Really nice fall colors going on over here. Oh yeah, there's no one here. Just gonna back right up here. Got your nice 360 camera here. Something else I should mention. Super easy to maneuver and park this thing. For such a big truck, well, it's not that big, but it's not an issue whatsoever maneuvering this thing. Looks like my dad texted me here. Let's see what he said.
Dad sent a photo and said, "Do you want these new glasses? Would you like to reply?"
No.
Okay.
Don't know why my dad wants to give me glasses, but thanks, Dad. Let's get you some revs from that V6 exhaust in Baja mode. Valves fully open, so you guys can see kind of what it sounds like. All right, let's set up the camera and see how this thing sounds. All right right, guys, so how did that sound from the outside? Let me know down in the comments. Unfortunately, there is a soft limiter when free revving it. It won't let you hold the paddles and rev all the way, but you can go up to about 4,000. Yeah, then it stops you, but it's not bad from the inside, but I think it sounds really, really good on the outside. You're getting really good sound deadening on the inside here, I think, under the car. Kind of muting that a little bit on the inside, but what really matters is how it sounds on the outside. So let me know how you guys thought that sounded, and we're gonna go ahead and get out of here, go back to the shop. One more time, speed bumps barely even exist in this thing. Yeah, that's nothing. All right, turn onto this main road here. Go from second gear. Yep, plenty of power in this thing, guys. Really great acceleration. Oh, so it is a 10 speed, not an 8 speed. So just to clarify there. So there it is, a quick POV drive in the 2024 F-150 Raptor 37 package, fully loaded. Let's take one more last look at this thing. Beautiful, beautiful truck, rides amazing, sounds incredible for the V6. Let me go ahead and turn these lights on here for you. So let me know if you guys like the POV drive. What else do you guys want to see in the future on this channel? Just in general, really. I will cover anything that you guys put in the comments. So if you want to get entered for this, tomorrow is your very last day. This ends Friday, November 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. You're getting 25x entries with every single order you put on the website. So if you want this amazing performance, family-oriented, honestly best performance truck I think ever made, go ahead and go to the website 717supply.com and pick up anything you want on there, guys. And as we walk back into the shop here, well, here's the Audi. We got a few things left to do with this thing. Want to do an exhaust. We got some rear spats to put on there. We got some side skirts, and I got a brand new front lip from Maxton. So they're all going to go on there. I might, upload some more stuff about the S5 on the channel. I know a few of you guys do like the S5 content, but anyway, to close this out, so our last C8Z post, we announced that Chad and Dana jointly won the C8 Z06. Now, something I wanted to show you was the amount of investigative work that Mike had to do to get in contact with them. So check out this phone call, guys. I hope you like it.